Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms Shopify and Wix. After conducting extensive research and testing both platforms, I ultimately chose Shopify for my e-commerce business. In this video, I will share the reason behind my decision and the key factor you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experiencing. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I have including a link in the description offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies in their ori- origins. Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce, where is Wix starting as a content-based website builder, then later editing e-commerce future. Shopify is an excellent option for beginner or those looking to scale thanks to its extensive range of over 6,000 app integration that work seamlessly with more than 100 themes and template design. Your store is straightforward with Shopify and native drag and drop store building. Additionally, all plan including for 24 by 7 customer support and making the setup process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offer plan across four categories: website, business, e-commerce, and enterprises. If you are running an online store, you will need to choose from the business and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow up to 50,000 product, more than sufficient for more business, but lack a limited product option. Wix provide our 800 templates and drag and drop editor and a customer domain name for free for 1 year. However, editing Wix template can make website less optimized for smartphones, meaning you will need a separate mobile site. Shopify in contract automatically optimizes its template for mobile device and creates redirect link for move a page, making it more SEO friendly. Shopify also supports US SEO integration for advanced insight, while Wix offer SEO tools like SEO Wiz and SEO dashboard and integration with SEMrush for keyword research. When it's come to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify offer Shopify payment and Wix offer Wix payment. Using these built-in gateway avoid transaction fees, but a third-party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 5% fees depending on your plan. Wix allow free third-party payment, but only in USD and lacks multi-currency checkout option. Whereas Shopify support multi-currency checkout via its Shopify Market app. Tax calculation is another crucial aspect. Shopify automatically calculations tax user across all plans, while Wix offer automatic tax calculation through a third-party app called Avalaria. This feature is limited in certain plan with caps on the number of calculation per month. Shopify also offer a physical point of sale system for all plan except the starter plan, enabling real-time inventory update through card readers connecting to mobile device. Wix POS feature introduced recently is only available to select users in the US and Canada. Pricing is another key consideration. Wix offer a free plan, but its functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan, but offer a 3-day free trial and discounted introductory package for $3 for 90 days. Once this trial and Shopify main plan, including the basic plan at $19 per month. The standard plan is $49 per month. The advanced plan has $299 per month. You can switch between plan as your business grow and receive a 25% discount for annual payment. That's a wrap for today video. I